we have use of biogas. That's clean energy being used by the smallholder farmers. Yeah. One, when they are using solar irrigation, they'll increase productivity even in times when we have drought. Yeah? There are those farmers who produce maize, green maize, when everybody is off season. Yeah. Then we have something called IPM, Integrated Pest Management. What are your farmers doing in terms of pest management? What are those practices they have in terms of managing those pests in the field? Yeah? You need to integrate all the practices. Yeah? There's chemical use, there's cultural use, there's mechanical, there's biological. The cultural is now where you introduce even issues of crop rotation. Yeah? Then we have something called integrated soil fertility management. In integrated soil fertility management, it's not only about use of chemical fertilizers, and it is not only about using the homemade remedies to increase soil fertility. And one thing we say, you will never replace. I hear some people saying we are organic farmers. We don't use inorganic fertilizers from the shops. You will never replace these components of crop soil fertility. You just use they are complements to each other. When you are using compost, you have to use the inorganic. Yeah, they use them hand in hand. So with that, but for FTMA, where we are, we promote 7. But those are fundamentals that you can have. Thank you, Mwalimu.
Excuse.
Question?
Just a question.
Yes.
How does inorganic must go in hand with organic?
One, when you make a compost, do you know the elements of that compost manure?
Yes.
No. The elements in terms of not what you are using to make it. The nutrients in that. Can you quantify? There is calcium this amount. There is phosphorus this amount. There is magnesium. So you can't quantify.
Yes.
But when you go for the inorganic, they are quantified. Yeah. So what we are trying to say, they don't replace one. They just complement. Yeah. You can buy an inorganic fertilizer that might not have. Maybe you buy NPK. You have nitrogen, you have phosphorus, and you have potassium. Yeah. Maybe the compost you are making, you used a material that had a component for the calcium and other components that were not in that inorganic fertilizer. So they'll work hand in hand. Yeah. What the inorganic will be able to provide to the soil, and what the organic will also be able to provide. So they work hand in hand. Tunajaza. Nikiwa na hii half full, maybe ya soda, if I need it full, I need to jaza. Sindio? Ndio ijae. So thank you for that question.
We are good. Thank you, Mwalimu.